So my journey with the Quran started more than 15 years ago. When I went to Damascus, and I went solely for the purpose of learning the recitation of the Quran for myself. But what really made me fall in love with this science was the fact that I was sitting more than 1400 years after the passing of the Prophet ﷺ from this dunya, and I was learning how to recite the Quran the way that it was revealed to Rasulullah ﷺ by Sayyidina Jibreel alayhi salam. Inshallah, we will be going over all 28 letters of the Arabic alphabet. I will be teaching you the articulation points and those characteristics that are important. And at the end of this course, inshallah, you will have a thorough understanding of how to pronounce these letters correctly without making any mistakes. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you with the best, and He Almighty grants success of the correct recitation of the Quran to His servants whom He pleases. So may you be one of them.